What's going on, guys? This is Robbie BAC Group. Thank you for tuning in again today. I want to do a quick review on the new Glock 47. Alright, as you can see, it is clear. Magazine is empty. Alright, so the Glock 47 MOS was designed in 2019 for U.S. Customs and Border Patrol. Has a lot of parts compatibility with the Glock 17, 19, and 45 models. It's kind of the love child of all three of them, so to say, combined. It is a 9mm, holds 17 rounds, right under 4.5 inch barrel at 4.49 inches. And like I said, it is an MOS, so it has a lot of optic mounting options online. It does come with the plate and stuff like that inside the box. And due to the heavier slide and the Glock 19 recoil spring, it is one of the lightest recoiling 9mm Glocks on the market. These are available at DB Firearms.